Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henen kasni kasipotrik urisau, katnat Assam Rifle ke petrikam hakani kejela. Kelas dangi ke Lympung Yakob, hak jila kai Wushu ya ke belatip kum ke Assam Rifles 26 Senior National Wushu Championship 2017. Ya ke balap pelong hak Assam Rifle Sports Complex jongkani katnat ke badan Laitkor halat nongkrem. Hakani ke Jacob ke bankot haduk ke hatsan trik mentah benai risau. Lawan isi mentah deki praspa laip handai ngot kirang bagi thai lek kai Wushu. Na keleng ke jela jongkari. Kontop ru ya ki kenhon jongki klub beper. Naki ki praspa laip handai ngot kinoi lek kai ke balawan naki sapotli ke jela jongkari India. Sanspa prapoprangot ki deki senrang bat arspa san puai ngot ki kenthai. Hak jelang play yakni ke Jacob nen ke janmian lapan bena ya ke jing play perda ya ke Lympung do Director General jongkatna Assam Rifle Lieutenant General Shokin Chauhan berlong kongsan hakni jelang ke jelang ki ken hon ki balawan na keleng ke jela ki lapan itho ilade da ke jing ya match pass bat lapan itho ro ya kongsan ya barok ki no ilam jogni ki ken hon bat ya ke jingkular na ka benta jong ki no ilak ka ken ilak ka da ka buram ka akor bat kat kum ki kendon balabo lasem da ka puja kadian ke balajab tengi ke gold medal hak Wushu World Championship ke balayo ru ya ke kusnam Arjuna Award ki bajab na kani Lympung ken chajet pat ban ji simenta hak Asian Games ke ban salong house nam arja khat prabanwan.
I am sure that you are aware that our force in the Northeast has been deeply involved in ensuring the security and ensuring and supporting all developmental and sports activities in the Northeast over the last 183 years. Apart from that, we have been at the forefront in showcasing and promoting sports and cultural talent of the youth of our wonderful Northeast. The onerous responsibility to conduct the 26th edition of the Senior Nationals Wushu Championship is a milestone event for us. We are hosting 35 teams from across the country, comprising of nearly 900 contestants and officials. I extend a hearty welcome to all the teams and the men and women players, the team captains, managers and officials. The men and women would be testing their prowess and skills against each other in various events of Kowloon and Shansu over the last 5 days for individual and team glory. Here, I would like to wish the players my very best, and I am sanguine that the championship will be played out in the true spirit of sportsmanship. I now declare the Assam Rifles 26th Senior National Wushu Championship open. Thank you and God bless you all.